Theories are the third and final source of conflict we'll consider in this lecture. Theories can be useful sources of insights. They bring together different concepts and make claims about their relationships. But theories can also be sources of conflict. One theory may suggest that humans are rational in how they make decisions, while another one says, no, humans are irrational. Well, which is it? Interdisciplinarians may discover that one theory is more accurate than the other, or they may find that both theories are equally valuable. Regardless, each theory provides just one piece of the puzzle. It's our job as interdisciplinarians to put all the pieces together and create a whole new way of seeing the puzzle or the problem. Theories from the same discipline tend to have less conflict than theories from different disciplines. This is because theories tend to reflect their disciplines, the perspective of the discipline and the assumptions of the discipline. Of course, these things are often hidden. It's not easy to identify them through casual reading. Interdisciplinarians are charged with finding these hidden messages.